Hello everyone. Welcome. And in today's session, we will cover we will start third unit of computer graphics, that is input and interaction. So here uh, some outlines of the third unit is logical classification of input device, physical device used for interaction, keyboard, mouse, trackball, space ball, tablet, light pen, joystick, touch panel, data glow, keyboard, mouse, interaction in OpenGL, and display list and modeling. So let's start the topic, that is the interaction. Interaction means interaction, interactive computer graphics, that is Sutherland, view image, interact with image via input device, rinse and repeat. GLUT provides a cross-platform interaction application interface and common denominator minimum functionality of interactivity, that is a keyboard, mouse, menus and timers. So the first topic is logical devices. A logical behavior of a device is described by specific information written by the device to the program. Specific information written by the device to the program. And second is a time stamp of the measurement. Means here we measure the information written by the device to the program. And second is a time stamp of the measurement. A taxonomy of logical input device are: first is a string, second locator, third peak, fourth is a choice, fifth is a evaluator, and sixth is a stroke. So what is a string taxonomy? Device that return the string, that is a sequence of character, to the program is called as a string, and it is provided by the keyboard. String is a device that return the string is a device that returns strings to the program through the keyboard. Locator provide a position, that is a mouse. These are therefore mouse is also a logical device. Locator provide the position from mouse, and it is of locator is often have to convert the backwards from screen to word coordinates. Third, peak returns the identifier of an object on the display. Return the identifier of an object to the display through the mouse. Here is the action event and mouse event in Java. Clicking a button generates its own action. It is accomplished via the mouse event. So pick means it returns the identifier of an object on the display through the mouse. And in Java, there are two pick methods used: action event and mouse event. So fourth is a choice that allows the user to select from the set of choice. Allow the user to select the set of choices. Widget graphical component, that is menu, scroll bar, on screen button. Example, checkboxes. Sorry. Fifth is evaluator that provide the analog input to the program, that is the widget, slide bars and dials. Stroke return an array of location, that is a mouse press begins the mouse location transfer, mouse release terminates. So these are given the six input classes and logical input value they provide are: the first is a locator. How the locator works: it returns the position and x, y value in a word coordinates, and a normalization transformation number corresponding that used to map back from the normalized device coordinate to the word coordinate. So locator return the position of word coordinates and normalization transformation number corresponding to that used to map back from the normalized device coordinates to world coordinates. The NTUs correspond to the viewport with the highest viewport input priority by calling GSV PIP. Warning: if there is no viewport in an input priority set, then NT equals to 0 used as a default, in which case the coordinates are written in NDC. They may not be what is expected. And the following are the function we use to call the locator, and that is a call GSV PIP TNR, RTNR, then REL PR. TNR is a transformation number. RTNR is a reference transformation number. REL PRI is the one of the values of GHI, GHR, or a glover defined in the include file enum inc enum.inc, which is listed on the appendix on page. Now second thing is the stroke. So locator provide a position through mouse. Often have to convert the backward from the screen to word coordinates. Now second is a stroke. It returns the sequence of x, y points in the word coordinates and normalization transformation as for the locator. It provides the normalization transformation for the locator. Then evaluator, it returns the real value, for example, to control some sort of analog devices. Return a real value, for example, to control some sort of analogous device. Next thing is a choice that returns the non-negative integer. Choice returns non-negative integer which represent a choice from a selection of several possibilities. Choice means selection of several possibilities, and this could be implemented as a menu. For example, menu of any application is an example of choice. Then string, return a string of character from the keyboards. Pick, it returns a segment name and pick identifier of an object pointed at by the user. Thus, application does not have to use the locator to return a position and then try to find out to which object the position corresponds. So pick is a return of segment name and pick identifier of an object pointed at by the user. Thus, the application does not have to use the locator to return a position and then try to find out to which object the position corresponds. Means pick is a segment name. It returns the segment name and object pointed at by the user, and it is a object pointed by the user. The application does not have to use the locator to return the position, and they try to find out to which object the correspond position correspond. They find out means application does not, there is no need of locator, and they can then try to find out the object, the position, which object the position corresponds. So in the next session, we will study about the physical device used for the interaction. Okay, so there are two different ways to look at the device. One is a physical device, and second is a logical device. A physical device, that is a keyboard or mouse, and discuss how they work. In logical devices, they were the way application program look at the devices. A logical device is characterized by its high-level interface with the user program rather than by its physical characteristics. The C input and output are done using printf, scanf, getChar, and putChar functions. In computer graphics, the use of logical device is a slightly more complex. This is because the form that input can take are more varied than the strings of bits or a character. In a non-graphical application, we restricted to bit or characters. Each device has properties that make it more suitable for certain tasks than the others. There are two primary types of physical devices, that is a pointing device and the second is a keyboard devices. So physical device used for interaction, there are two different ways to look at the device. One is a physical device and another is a logical device. Physical device, they work with the logical device, and the way application program look at the devices, and there is the application program who handle the physical devices. Logical devices is characterized by its high level interface with the user program rather than by its physical characteristics. So that is the difference between the physical devices and logical devices. So each device property it make more suitable for certain tasks than for the others. There are two primary types of physical devices, that is a pointing device and keyboard devices. We can view the output of the mouse or trackball as a two independent values provided by the device. Now second is a relative pointing devices, and this is a relative pointing device. So that's it about the first topic, that is input devices, logical input devices, and in, and the other topic, that is physical device used for interaction, we will see in the next session. Thank you for watching.